Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the bird's bath and the theme is home hygiene. Reading. In our garden, we have made such a pretty little pool, lined with pebbles neatly laid, filled with water, clean and cool when the sun shines and high. Robins cluster around its brink. Never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. They, then they splash and splash, spattering little showers bright all around, till of they flash sing sweetly their delight. The poet name is Alvin Steve. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.